Hey folks, Jim here. Well, I have my battery charger hooked up to this now and all, and it turned out to where let's go in here. I'll just point out some things. My battery, as you can see, look at my connection. It's getting like this. The whole top was dirty, so that's sometimes your electricity can be on the outside instead of inside. I didn't measure it, but and then also this is a maintenance battery, where not maintenance free, where you can add fluids if necessary. This time it was necessary. Every single one of my cells on this battery and that battery over there were low. Uh, not to the cells, but almost. It looked like it anyway. See, and this one here, these are the black, it's black on here, but it's a side post battery, so that's what matters with this. I'm just jumping at this, jumping up, charging the battery. I have it on a 40 amp charge right now. And we're getting, I don't know if you can see that or not, but anyway, 40 amps, and I did that just to get my battery kind of charged back up. Well, kind of charged. You should not charge your battery with your alternator. So anyway, but I have to address this latch. I don't know where it was hitting and all like that, but I'm gonna oil a bejesus out of it. I'm trying to see. It looks like it was hitting right in the. Oops, sorry about that. It looks like it was hitting right in the center where it's supposed to. So it's over to maybe one side or the other. It just won't release right away. So I also have a cover that is, I don't know. Oh, it's possibly in my. Let's look down here a little bit more. There we go. That sounded like gunshots to me. It really did. Did you hear that? Well, I had a box, I thought, for my fuse thing. Maybe it's in my van. I don't know why it would be. But anyway, I'm gonna get some oil and oil up that latch. I'm gonna put the vehicle back together a little bit, but we'll start this up. It's gonna go. I could probably do it right now. So hell, let's try it right now. What the heck, right? Let's do it. All right. So we turn on my glow plug light. Is the weird part for me that didn't stay on long enough. It went off real fast. It never did that before. Okay, this time it's gonna be good. We're good this time. Yeah. There we go. And the old oil burner's sending it down the way. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? No starter grinder noise and all kinds of crazy stuff like that. Here's another thing I need to address. Look at that. Plug in for my trailer. It got wiped out. It does. It happens every now and then. Anyway, but I have another one. I don't know, do a video on that or not. I'm sure. Like, who cares, right? But anyway, I'm gonna turn off my oil burner here because I'm charging the battery and there's no sense in just letting it run. I'm not going anywhere. So folks, there you go. And now you know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get after it and see what I can get done. God, remember that? Just yeah, you never heard of it. Like a pterodactyl it was going. I was over at the house. I was a whole house away, and then all of a sudden, I had to run back. I'm fat. It's not good for Jim. Well, I'm not really fat, but I'm old. How's that? So, be good.